And now for the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday informed that scientific coal mining activity is expected to begin within this calendar year. He stated that though it is not possible to give a definite timeline, the process is moving very fast and they are getting a lot of support from the Union Ministry of Coal. The Chief Minister said the government expects the scientific mining activity should start very soon. He further informed that there were 17 applicants who have submitted their applications for grant for prospecting license for coal, and all have received approval from the central government, and they are now in the exploration stage for generating geological reports before obtaining a mining lease.
So we are hopeful, sir, that now with these steps that have been taken, the Supreme Court's order that came out in 2019, and the process that is happening as we speak, we are hopeful, sir, that we will be able to give the mining lease to at least some of these individuals, and we hope that the scientific mining will start very shortly, and then the revenue flow will come in. So,
Free of cost COVID vaccination for